Let's explore 1Z0-1084-25 Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2025 Developer Professional Exam in this video. What is Oracle 1Z0-1084-25 exam? No 1Z0-1084-25 exam information before your test. Understand 1Z0-1084-25 exam objectives. Three preparation steps for your reference. Why choose Seek exams? Here are the good features. One. Which statement is not true about compartments in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure? A. Compartments are a global resource. B. Identity and access management, IAM, policies can be written to grant access to resources in specific compartments. C. Compartments provide a way to store and manage encryption keys and secrets. D. Compartments can be nested to create a hierarchy. Answer: C. 2. In Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, who is responsible for securing the workloads and configuring the cloud resources? A. Third-party security services. B. Only Oracle. C. Only the customer. D. Both Oracle and the customer. Answer: D. 3. What is the primary function of a route table in the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Networking Service? A. To provide a private connection between a VCN and an on-premises network. B. To connect the VCN to the public Internet. C. To define rule-esto route traffic from subnets to destinations outside the VCN. D. To define rules controlling traffic flow between subnets. Answer: C. 4. Which workload type is not optimized for Oracle Autonomous Database on Shared Exadata Infrastructure? A. Data warehousing. B. Mixed workloads. C. Transaction processing. D. High-performance computing. Answer: D. 5. What is the primary purpose of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure functions? A. To store and manage files. B. To execute code in response to events or HTTP requests. C. To provide a managed database service. D. To deploy and manage virtual machines. Answer: B. 6. In Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, monitoring, which two metrics are automatically collected and made available by the feature for functions deployed with Oracle Functions? A. Amount of CPU used by a function. B. Length of time a function runs. C. Number of times a function is invoked. D. Amount of RAM used by a function. Answer: B. D. 7. You are a cloud solutions architect tasked with securing access to an API deployed on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, API gateway for your company's internal services. Authentication is a critical aspect of this deployment to ensure that only authorized users and applications can access the API. Which two are valid authentication methods for accessing an OCI API gateway deployment? A. SAML token, B. JSON Web Token, JWT, C. OAuth, D. API Key. Answer: C, D. 8. Which is necessary to access an Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, container engine for Kubernetes, OKE, cluster using the cubic LCLI? A. An SSH key pair with the public key added to the cluster worker nodes. B. A configured OCI API signing key pair. C. Tiller enabled on the OKE cluster. D. OCI Identity and Access Management, IAM, auth token. Answer: B. 9. As a cloud-native developer, you have deployed a new API for your company's services. Your security team has identified the need to protect your API from potential distributed denial of service, DDoS, attacks. You are under a tight deadline and need to implement a solution as quickly as possible. What should you do? A. Implement a custom firewall solution for your API. B. Use an on-premises hardware solution to filter traffic. C. Use the OCI API gateway service and configure rate limiting. D. Develop a script to manually monitor and block suspicious IP addresses. Answer: C. 10. You are configuring an Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, API gateway to handle requests for your microservices architecture. You need to set up various backend integrations to route incoming requests to appropriate services. Which two are valid backend type options that you can choose when configuring your API gateway deployment? A. Oracle_functions_backend. B. HTTP_backend. C. SMTP_backend. D. Oracle_backend. E. Stocks_backend. Answer: A, B. Thanks and subscribe. Seek exams for $5 voucher.